Hey, what's up, y'all? Today I'm finna fixing this back bike hub. It's called a Freewheel. You don't really need no special tools and shit. You feel me? Let's get to it. Initially, I had to start this shit because I had broke like 5 folks on the back. You feel me? Nigga fat. You feel me? Anyway, though, you can see that this is silver or whatever. You feel me? And I have black ones in rich. So I had to go ahead and take this shit off because the spokes come in through the back. And when I did that, it messed up the spin of the hub. So, I'm gonna walk you through the steps that it takes to fix that shit. Yeah. So first you wanna do is you wanna take some type of chisel type material, you feel me? You can use something with like some type of pointy tip, you feel me? Fuck all that specific shit. I'll go ahead and put the name of the specific shit later. It'll be here, whatever. So, excuse me. So you want something with a pointy tip like this, and you want a hammer. Yeah, like you feel me? You see I got a tray underneath that shit, you feel me? Because it's gonna have bearings inside this shit that's gonna drop out, and then you're gonna lose your mind. It's gonna go everywhere. You're gonna get so. Anyway, let's get back to it. Alright, so I'm gonna take this first thing I showed you. Pretty much this shit right here got knocked loose, and we're able to spin. Okay. Well, make sure you put everything where you can have it. I'm gonna wipe this shit down, clean it off, and go forward. Cause that did a little nasty up and they already had me anything. Make sure you don't lose none of these things right here. You feel me? These things is very important. I lost like 5 of them. Just remember there's some on top, some on bottom. The bottom ones obviously hook around that bottom end right there. Okay, everything about this shit honestly simple as fuck. It's just about the time that you're gonna take to do it, alright? Let's get working. So I'm gonna take this nice little shirt, you feel me, just freshly bought from the store. It's a nice little shirt, and I'm gonna use it to wipe this shit down. Okay. Yeah, I ain't getting out bird for the little bastard that up in there. You know, man, right there. I back there, right there, on here, right here, right there, right there, right down. Here's the wipe it down. Okay. Now, that shit look shiny from here. She look nice. Look real nice. A little bit of this thing too. Just make sure everything nice and clear. Spick and span. Spick and span. Spick and span. Okay, let's move forward. Make sure there ain't nothing left over here. Nothing. Okay. Looks like we got some oil in here. So we're gonna go ahead and remove those. I like using this spake right here. Keeps things nice and as cleanly as possible. In the top here, clear this thing out. Alright. We'll work this thing out. That's 22. And that's 28. It's not bad. I know they're supposed to have like a 31 in each. 28 is not bad. 28, 29, 30, 31. It is 3 off. That's not bad at all. Let's proceed. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hit this back side first. You feel me? Always hit it from the back. It's always pleasurable for both sides. We'll go ahead and lay this shit flat and then proceed. Y'all, so if you want to do the official, go grab a bottle of whatever. I'll put whatever you're supposed to use up on the screen. That you put right here that grasps the balls like the women do, or whatever you prefer. Anyway, let's move forward. Alright, so I'm gonna use this fucking blue magic right here. I like this one. You feel me? I use this shit in my son's hair, my hair, all of that. You know what I mean? Yeah. Slap that shit right there. I don't give a fuck. You feel me? You can use a little bit or a lot. I'm gonna use a lot so that shit actually hold them things, and I ain't worrying about that shit dropping. I be trying to be Picasso in my own sloppy ways. Honestly, it was tight because it shows what life really is, you feel me? Life is a beautiful picture. It's all good, buddy. Alright, looks good. We'll put the Freewheel on right now. And make sure it goes aligned with the channel locks. Make sure you're careful, no beads drop. And it sits right down on top, alright? Okay, so let's proceed to the next process. I like my pussy wet. That's all I gotta say. Make sure you don't lose these bearings though, you feel me? Cause you know what I mean, like they don't even cost that much, you feel me? But then it's like a whole nother process. Like, you feel me? It's like, fuck, now I gotta find him, now I gotta buy some more, now I gotta wait for him to get shipped to me. Alright, so we just gonna go ahead and put this little last piece on. They probably don't need no type of oil up. Remember we popped it off counterclockwise. So we're gonna be going ahead and do it reverse. And make sure you don't tighten this shit all the way down. That's not how you're supposed to do it. Supposed to leave a little slack up in the type shit. That shit just, you feel me? If it wobble a little bit, that's it. Feel me? Alright. Go ahead and start that shit, young motherfuckers. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.